If you find it new in a box, it's a 60-757 Concord snap card. It says 8-zone input expander, snaps on the side. This is a snap card, and these are the resistors and the screws. It goes right there. This has to be disconnected. Positive terminals are usually pretty well on there. And you drop that screw down there because it just seems like the thing to do. Got all the zones used. There are pins there, and there are holes in that. If you very gently line it up and put one in here, because it'll cause a ground fault if you're running smokes. It comes up as a ground fault. You have to turn it off. Only put in the one. You don't need but one anyway to hold it to keep it. Need to loosen up all of this. Are for DC power. The top 4 are for smoke detectors. The other ones have common grounds. The zone is positives and the common is the negatives. When you're done, resistors will look like that. And then you can power it back up and get ready to learn it in. Once you got the transformer plugged in and the battery terminals connected, you get that little flashing light and you can go to the keypad. If you're at the keypad, press pound. Should say system is okay. Press 8, it'll say enter the code. The default code's 4321. Man. 00, system programming. Pound sign. Scroll. It says sensors. Pound sign. Learn sensors. Pound sign. Partition number 1, yes. We want sensor group 13 because they're all going to be perimeter zones. Pound sign. Trip sensor 8. I'm going to start at 8 because that's what I want it to start at, because all my hardware zones ran up to 8. And this is going to gently take one wire off. And I should hear it go beep, but I don't have the keypad. You can take the next positive wire off. And then the third powered wire off. And if you go, okay, so it's at 11. So those three. Get the other commons off. $12. One more. Okay, so now it should be. Now if I go. All right, those three learned in. Let's learn in the final two. On this, doesn't matter which one you undo first. As long as you undo one of them. There really isn't any common to speak of. Whichever one you can get to easier. Alright. Voila! It says Troop 16. They're all learned in correct. Now we can take all the 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. I've previously labeled them. Here's the first 3 zones hooked up with the resistors.